Dang, I don't remember how long this bolt was, bro. I swear that shit has to be spinning. It ain't supposed to take this long. I'm really praying that this is not from the oil pan. What is going on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. It is officially that time of the month. It is time to do our oil change. In case you guys are also doing your oil change and you want to know what I got some liquid moly. So I got one big bottle and two smalls. That's pretty much what you're going to need. And then here's the filter number in case you guys need it. And it also comes with the little washer. In case you guys are wondering what size that bolt is, it's a 17. Let's do this. Dang, I don't remember how long this bolt was, bro. Bro, I feel like I'm in the exact same place. This has to be a troll. Bro, I swear we're not making progress. I swear that shit has to be spinning. It ain't supposed to take this long. Alright, so after a couple hours, we finally were able to take this bolt off. Now, normally this is super easy, but typically, for some reason, it wasn't coming off. So I kept spinning, and I was like, dude, this bolt is not that big. It should not be spinning for this long. So we finally were able to get it off. It finally hooked after trying it a couple times slowly with the impact. And I do have a couple metal shreds here. And you know, I'm really praying. I thought it was the bolt, but the bolt is completely fine. But I'm really praying that this is not from the oil pan, because obviously that's gonna be a bigger problem. Oh, that's exactly what it is. How does that even happen? So we're back. It's been about a week and we went on a little vacation and I actually came back sick. So it just keeps getting better, but we did come back with a solution for the car. So let me talk to you guys a little bit about it. But just to do a quick recap, so after analyzing, it is the oil pan, so some of the threads came off. So yeah, not the best case scenario, but I mean, sometimes you just gotta live with it. Okay, so this is what we went with. This is a universal oil drain plug. So the way it works, it's basically rubber, but when you tighten it, let me tighten it real quick, hold on. It's kinda not very easy with one hand, but almost there. Alright, so something like that. For example, the metal is going to get deeper and deeper into the rubber, and then it's going to expand it, which creates a nice seal. So let me show you what I have done right now. The size of this one is 1/2 inch. Now, I couldn't find a smaller one than this because the hole is 1/2 inch, so you know, you need it a little bit smaller. So what I did is I sanded it down a little bit and then I got it to fit. So let me show you. So hopefully you guys can see well, but here's mine. And I already have it pretty in there. And as you guys can see, it ain't coming out. It's in there. But now that we've shown you guys that, it is officially time to put our new oil, finally. Don't forget to reset your oil light as well. So the way to do it is if you press your ignition one time, it'll put in accessory mode, and then you'll get the little pop-up menu, and if you press and hold, it'll start resetting just like that, and then that's pretty much it. So finally we got it done. Damn, I'm so happy because I can't wait to drive this thing. It's been so long, but we'll pick it up the next day because the camera's about to die. So I'll see you then. Woo! It's been so long since I've driven this car.